creating AI video for marketing, whether that's long-form YouTube content or snappy reels and TikToks, has recently seen a massive leap in both capability and affordability. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most straightforward and cost-effective ways to produce various video styles using the ElevenLabs creative tools. We are currently looking at the ElevenLabs creative platform. If you haven't set up an account yet, do use the affiliate link in the description. A free account gets you 10,000 credits a month just for signing up. I'm personally on the creator plan. Now, a bit of a disclaimer, generating video can be quite credit-hungry. However, if you employ clever prompting, opt for the more efficient models, and use a few tricks I'll share, you can keep your costs down and ensure the results are actually usable. I'm currently in the Image and Video tab. The Explore screen is brilliant for inspiration, showing what other creators are up to. If I hop over to my history, you can see my past work. One thing I'm hoping they'll update soon is the ability to filter this feed. At the moment, it's a bit of a scroll to find specific assets if you've been generating a lot of images in one go. The prompt interface is quite intuitive. You can toggle between image and video, and in the bottom left, you can select your model. They have over a dozen options, including Google Veo and Nano Banana 2, which are the latest powerhouses, as well as Kling, Sora, and Seed Dance. Seed Dance is my preferred choice for keeping costs low, while Seedream and GPT Image are excellent for stills. Depending on your choice, you can tweak the aspect ratio, resolution, and duration. You can also toggle audio on or off, a crucial setting for saving credits. For this tutorial, I've put together a short animated scene. I started by generating 2 images using Nano Banana 2 with a 69 aspect ratio. The prompt was for a hand-drawn, limited color image with high contrast of a sad-looking man and a robot in a dirty, empty room. I liked the style, but the details weren't quite right. I used the reference tool to iterate, asking the AI to remove the man's tears, make the robot larger and cleaner like modern AI, and keep the room dirty but not cluttered. The result was spot on. From there, I moved into the video creator. My first attempt at video was 8 seconds with audio via Seed Dance. It wasn't perfect. The dialogue was a bit cramped for the time frame.
Hey Robo-Friend, how do I make my life better? How can I make more money? Why didn't my last date like me? What would make me feel truly fulfilled?
For the second version, I turned the sound off and shortened the script. It looked much better. Turning audio off is wise because it's roughly twice as expensive to generate video with sound. Furthermore, you'll likely want to use ElevenLabs text-to-speech separately to get the exact voices you want. Then layer them in during editing. This flexibility allows you to use more affordable models like Seed Dance for the visual heavy lifting. If you're curious about how far your credits will stretch, consider the contrast between models. For instance, with my remaining balance, I could generate 153 4-second Seed Dance videos without sound, or 76 8-second versions. Once you turn the sound on, that drops to 38. High-end models like Kling would only allow for 22 5-second generations, and Veo is even more intensive, offering only 4 8-second videos with sound. Veo is incredible, but it's often best to test your prompts with Seed Dance first to get the movement right before committing to a high-end render. You can use these tools for your own brand or even turn AI video creation into a side hustle. If you're handy with an editor, you could offer clip creation as a service, generating the AI footage and polishing it into a finished product for clients. I'm actually using the man and robot scene for a more cinematic project coming to AI copywriting tools soon. I've spent a lot of time on software tutorials lately, but I'm keen to show you how this tech looks in a more story-driven context. Whether you want to create viral content for ad revenue or simply upgrade your business marketing, these tools make high-quality video accessible to everyone. Remember to use the link in the description to get started with your credits, and I shall see you in the next one.